Hello and welcome to the 31st match in round one of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017. Today's match is between Linstead Primary from St. Catherine up against Guys Hill Primary, also from St. Catherine. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section one of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Guys Hill Primary won and they decided to play first. So we begin section one with you, Guys Hill. We begin with Bible knowledge. Who said these words? Thy people shall be my people, and thy God my God.
Ruth!
That's correct. Linstead, Bible knowledge. Who said these words? My God, why hast thou forsaken me?
Job!
That's incorrect. It was Jesus. Guys Hill, science. What's the name given to any disease caused by a germ, such as a virus?
Disease.
That's incorrect. Judges? That's incorrect. It's infectious disease. Linstead science. What's the name given to germs that cause diseases such as cholera?
Airborne diseases.
That's incorrect. It's bacteria. Guys Hill, international affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Ecuador.
That's incorrect. It's Paraguay. Linstead, international affairs. Visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Cayman Islands.
Cayman Islands.
That's correct. Guys Hill, English language. Spell beautician.
B-E-A-U-T-I-T-I-O-N.
That's incorrect. It's beautician. B-E-A-U-T-I-C-I-A-N. Linstead, English language. Spell optometrist.
Optometrist.
O-C-T-O-M-O-G-R-I-S-T.
That's incorrect. It's optometrist. O-P-T-O-M-E-T-R-I-S-T. Guys Hill, television. It's a visual question. So look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Alfonso Ribeiro.
That's incorrect. He's Boris Kodjoe. Linstead, television. Visual question for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Tommy Lee Jones.
That's incorrect. He's Blair Underwood. Guys Hill, general knowledge. What's the smallest island in the Greater Antilles?
Puerto Rico.
That's correct. Linstead, general knowledge. What's the largest country in the Greater Antilles?
Cuba.
That's correct. Guys Hill, social studies. Fierce and warlike were the adjectives used to describe which group of Amerindians?
Caribs.
That's correct. Linstead, social studies. The cacique was the chief in which group of Amerindians?
Taínos.
Or Arawaks. That's correct. Guys Hill, music. Which recording artist made the song I Will Always Love You an international hit in the 90s?
Whitney Houston.
That's correct. Linstead, music. Who recorded and released the single Endless Love?
Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Lionel Richie. Mathematics for you, Guys Hill. If x equals 7 and y equals 5, what's the value of 4x minus 3y?
13.
That's correct. Linstead, mathematics for you. If x equals 2 and y equals 6, what's the value of 5x plus 5y?
40.
40.
That's correct. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Guys Hill Primary in on 5 points, Linstead Primary on 4 points. Now we go to the break, but before we go, here's a friendly tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, your study time is precious. Do not allow too many distractions as you focus and prepare to do your best. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.